Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to be showing you how I made this beautiful hairstyle for my daughter. Very easy, very quick, no faffing around, and she's excited with the results. As you can see, she's not gonna put her face properly, but yeah, let's just get right into it. So first things first, let's make the pattern. So it's going to be about 6 portions. Is it portions or pattern? And I'm going to be sectioning the hair into. So this is the first one. There's going to be 4 or 5 around and then 1 in the middle. So I'm just going in with some hair gel just so it can be nice and smooth. Just going in on the lines I've made on the hair all the way around, and then I'm going to start brushing it as well so you can see how slick it is. Next thing, I'm going in with the comb. Now because her hair is quite natural, I'm combing the hell out of the hair because I need it to be straight in order to get the style properly. Now I'm just using the rubber band to hold it in place, and then I'm just going to brush it just a little more. So can you see how that one has stretched out compared to the rest of the shrinkage of the hair? So I did use the heat comb as well, and also combed it normally. So the trick when you're combing the hair so it's not painful is, see how I'm holding the roots of the hair? Hold the roots and then comb the tips. That way it's not painful when you're combing the hair. Again, I'm just going to use the rubber band to hold it in place, and this is the one in front, the last one. Putting in the tangling spray, rub it in, hold the roots and then comb the tips because I want that to be as straight as possible. I've just applied some gel to hold it down in place and also brushed it. Now I'm just using the rubber band to hold it in. Brushing it again because I need them lines to be nice and smooth. Excitement. Excitement. We're not even done and someone is excited. Anyways, let's go with the flow. She can't even leave the hair alone. And then she has a supporter. Okay, right, let's get into it now. So I'm going to show you how I'm doing the front. So I've cut the attachment, I've sectioned that part into 3. Now I'm going to start braiding each section. So each of these 6 portions I've cut the hair in, I'm going to either do 2 braids or 3 braids depending on the size. Now this one in front is quite big, so I'm doing 3 sections as you can see on the camera, and then I'm just going to braid it and I'm going to keep braiding. Now see the importance of making sure that the hair is nice and straight and is not shrinked, because you don't want it to show when you are doing the attachment. You want everything to blend in nicely, as you can see me doing. Now when you get to the length you want the attachment to be, you're just going to tie it 2 to 3 times. I'm going to do that again just so you can see. Cut the section in, divide that into 3 as you can see me doing, ever so slowly, and then start to braid it, putting one in front of the other and just braid it that way as you can see me doing. Keep braiding, again braid it, just keep braiding. Now if you do not know how to braid, then I'm not really sure how to help you here. You can watch like videos on YouTube to see how braiding is done, but it's pretty easy to do. So I'm just gonna keep braiding it and braiding it. Now I'm gonna just go faster because I did it before. Now when I get to the end, again make sure you tie the end because you don't want the attachment unraveling, so make sure you tie the end. So up close again, I'm braiding it, and then you're going to see me tie the ends of the attachment. So when I get to the length I want it to be, I tie it and then I cut it. So you can see me checking the length against another one. Check it, and then I'm going to tie it now so you can see what I'm doing. Take a tiny bit of it, wrap it around and then put it in that hole that you've wrapped. Do that again 2 to 3 times. You can even do it more again. And then my last time, so I think I've tried to do at least 3 times on all the ones here. Tie it, and yes, that's the final result. Hopefully you enjoy the content of this video. If you did, you know what to do. Please like, share, subscribe, turn on the bell notification so when I post any upcoming videos you get notified. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye.